Now we can start coding. First, I name the third and the fifth pin where the PIR motion sensor and buzzer is connected. In the setup function, I just tell the Arduino which pin is input and output. And in the loop function, I use digital read PIR pin to check if the motion sensor detects any movement. If motion is detected, the sensor outputs high, and I store this value in the variable named motion detected. And with the if condition, if motion is detected, I trigger the buzzer by writing high to buzzer pin using digital write buzzer pin high, making it beep. After a small delay of 100 milliseconds, I turn the buzzer off by writing low to the same pin. And if no motion is detected, the buzzer remains off with digital write buzzer pin low, ensuring that the buzzer doesn't sound when there is no movement. And finally, I include a 100 millisecond delay at the end of the loop to smooth out the sensor readings and buzzer activation.